Look around the room. How many people are right-handed? How many are left-handed? Chances are most people use their right hand. About 90% of the world's population is right-handed. This makes being left-handed a little more unique. Why are some people left-handed? It's a question that has puzzled people for centuries. Scientists have been studying left-handedness for a long time. They've discovered some fascinating things. For example, did you know that left-handedness is found in animals too? It's true. From chimpanzees to parrots, animals show a preference for one side over the other. This suggests that handedness is a fundamental biological trait. Handedness is more than just which hand you write with. It's about brain specialization. The left side of our brain controls the right side of our body and vice versa. For right-handed people, the left side of the brain is typically dominant for language and motor skills. Left-handed individuals can have different brain organization. This can sometimes lead to unique skills and abilities. The world we live in is designed for right-handed people. From scissors to desks, most tools and objects are made for right-hand use. This can make life a little trickier for lefties. However, it also means that left-handed people often develop problem-solving skills and adaptability from a young age. Left-handedness has been around for a very long time. How do we know? Archaeologists have found evidence of left-handedness dating back hundreds of thousands of years. Cave paintings, tools, and even skeletal remains provide clues. For example, some prehistoric tools show wear and tear that suggests they were used by left-handed individuals. In ancient times, left-handedness was viewed in different ways. Some cultures associated it with negative traits, while others saw it as a sign of strength or creativity. For example, in ancient Rome, left-handed soldiers were considered fierce warriors. In some cultures, left-handedness was associated with magic and mysticism. Despite these varied views, evidence suggests that the percentage of left-handed individuals has remained relatively stable throughout history. This suggests that there might be evolutionary advantages and disadvantages to being left-handed, leading to a balance over time. So what determines whether someone will be left or right-handed? Scientists believe it's a complex interplay of factors. Genetics play a role, but it's not as simple as a single left-handed gene. Studies on twins have shown that even identical twins, who share the same genes, can have different dominant hands. Environmental factors during pregnancy might also influence handedness. The position of the fetus in the womb and exposure to certain hormones could play a role. Some scientists believe that even minor variations in the womb environment can influence brain development and consequently, handedness. Despite all the research, handedness remains somewhat of a mystery. It's a reminder that the human brain is incredibly complex, and there's still much we don't fully understand about how it develops and functions. A left-handed advantage? Being left-handed can have its advantages, especially in activities that involve an element of surprise. Think about sports like boxing, fencing, or tennis. A left-handed opponent can catch a right-handed opponent off guard. This is because right-handed athletes are used to playing against other right-handed individuals. The unexpected movements of a left-handed opponent can give them a competitive edge. Left-handed people often excel in creative fields. This might be because the right side of the brain, which is often more dominant in left-handers, is associated with spatial awareness, creativity, and artistic abilities. Many famous artists, musicians, and inventors throughout history were left-handed. However, it's important to note that these are just observations and trends. Handedness doesn't determine success in any field. It's just one of many factors that contribute to an individual's skills and abilities. A world designed for the right. Living in a right-handed world can be challenging for left-handed individuals. Everyday objects like scissors, can openers, and even desks are often designed with right-handed users in mind. This can make simple tasks more difficult and frustrating for lefties. Despite these challenges, left-handed people have adapted and thrived. They've developed their own techniques for using right-handed tools and have even invented specialized products for left-handed use. In many ways, left-handed individuals demonstrate remarkable resilience and adaptability. The persistence of left-handedness in a predominantly right-handed world speaks to the balance between competition and cooperation in human societies. While right-handedness might offer some advantages in certain situations, the unique skills and perspectives of left-handed individuals are also valuable. Society benefits from the diversity of its members, including the 10% who favor their left hand. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.